Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can block trackers and ads on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device, then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings, then tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. After that, you can see the option of block trackers and ads. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of block trackers and ads, standard. Select on it, then tap on done. So this is how you can block trackers and ads on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.